Assalamualaikum students. I hope you all are good. Students, again we have another determinant and we have to evaluate this determinant. Students, if we focus the arrangement of the determinant elements, that is, in each column we have the two elements of A and one element of X. A and X, A and X, A and X. Students, we try to solve it by using the determinant property. So how do we start? The first step, we have add R2 and R3 in R1. When we add R2 and R3 in R1, so all the changes will occur in R1. It will be X plus A plus A plus X plus A, and then A plus X. Second and third rows will be same. Then in the first row, all the elements, it's converted into X plus 2A, X plus 2A, X plus 2A. The rest of the elements are same. Students, we can take common X plus 2A from R1. So the complete R1 is converted into 1, 1 and 1. 1, 1 and 1. A, X and A, and then AX. Now students, what we can do? We can do one more, apply the property, that is, subtract C1 from C2 and C3. So we can write here X plus 2A same, and in this determinant subtract C1 from C2 and C3. What does it mean? It means 1, A and A. The column 1 is as it is. Now the changes will occur in C2 and C3. This is 1 minus 1, X minus A minus this A. After that, 1 minus 1, A minus A, X minus A. Now what we have got in the next step, X plus 2A same, 1, A and A, 1 minus 1, 0. It is X minus A, and then again we have 0. 0, 0 and X minus A. Students, the two elements of R1 is converted into 0. Now when we have to expand, we expand from A11. This is the advantage of converting the two elements of R1 into 0, that when we expand it, we can expand with the help of the A11. That will be 1. Omit first column and first row, then we will get X minus A, 0, 0, X minus A. And then furthermore, X plus 2A and X minus A multiplied with X minus A, minus sign, 0 multiplied by 0, it is 0 squared. Then we have X plus 2A and then X minus A, X plus 2A, and we have X minus A whole square. Minus 0 is omit, then we have got this as answer. Now students, what we have to do, I have given you a home task. You have to evaluate another determinant, 1 plus A, 2 and 3, then 1, 2 plus A, and then it's 3, and then 1, 2 into 3 plus A. Students, what you have to do, you can add R2 and R3 in R1. When you add R2 and R3 in R1, it will become 6 plus A, 6 plus A and 6 plus A. The rest of the solution is same, and if you have any problem you can ask me. I will definitely help you. Till the next video, you all take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.